Hello friends, today 18th May the year 2024. Me, Chol and auntie, that means Chol's mummy, we are going for the Somnath. Auntie, auntie is there. She has come from Chennai. So we are going for the Somnath now morning 5:10. We are going by car. I think it will be good experience for us. Around 410 kilometers na, from Ahmedabad to Somnath.
Yes.
At Gujarat. Okay, stay with us. Now the morning is the time is the 5:15. It is Ahmedabad, so till now it is dark. Morning light is to come here after 6. So we are going for Somnath. Namo Shivaya. Jai Somnath ji. সোমনাথে যাচ্ছি, খুব ভালো লাগছে। যে আন্টি পেছনে, এই আমাদের অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট এরিয়া থেকে আমরা বেরোলাম Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad to the Somnath temple at Gujarat. It is the around 410 to 420 kilometers. In between, we'll stop at the Hanumanji temple, Sarangpur. Yes, we are moving for the Somnath. Now we cross almost 10 to 15 kilometers. Now time is the 5:36. Every day we used to come through this route to come our office. You can see just now I'll cross my office, everyday office, where I used to come in morning and used to go back by evening. Yes, you can see this is my company, and every day I used to come for work. Chol is driving very smartly. This area name, this is the Indus, you can see, another company, Indus. Yes, this is the Indus. This place at Ahmedabad name is Moraiya. This is very happy journey, long drive. He is very much excited. See, all pillow is there for her to rest. Auntie, tell something. You're feeling fine? Good now? Auntie is only enjoying, not telling anything. Now we are almost
40 kilometers.
40 kilometers from Ahmedabad. See, now you can see the light, daylight, slowly it is coming. Now time is around 6 a.m. morning. So first we'll go the Sarangpur Hanumanji temple. This is the Kostobhanjam temple. Last time I went, so I've seen. And that Sarangpur Hanumanji temple used to open by 6 a.m. and will close 12 p.m. and again by 3:15 p.m. it will start, and it will, I think, at night it will close around 9 p.m. So last time I went, it is the afternoon. I have seen the Hanumanji temple inside. Now morning, I have a chance to go there, and we all three members will see. And it is specially happened for hunting. See, there's so much land is there. So much camel, na?
Small ones, all are.
See,
All are small ones.
koto wood. This in Bengali it is called a wood. This is camel.
Where he brought this much camel?
Some river or something maybe. Some water body, but water is not there. No, some water is there. Small water. Maybe this is the river. Auntie.
This side you should.
As you know that we are going from Ahmedabad to the Somnath temple. On the way, the Saharanpur Hanumanji temple was there, and opposite one Swaminarayan temple is there. Now we are here. You can see this Swaminarayan temple once again. This is the Swaminarayan temple. Yeah, and this is the Hanumanji temple is in the opposite that road. You can see that red what a flag is there, and this is also one Swaminarayan temple is there. So it is food only. Okay. Hello friends. In between we stopped one place. We have taken cane sugar juice. We'll take. And the speciality is that see the back side that cane, that garden is there, and from here they are taking that cane and they are making it juice here. You can see. See, and this presentation is very nice. You see, with steel vessel. Come here. And yeah, it is very nice. We'll have now cane sugar juice, and again we'll start. Around how much kilometer remain to go to Somnath from here? 200 kilometer you have to go, and it will take almost 3.5 hours to go there. We'll reach around by expecting 2:30 there. Okay. You want to tell something? How do you feel?
No. We are enjoying the trip.
Okay. We reached the hotel. The hotel Welcome Somnath on the main road. Now we'll enter. I think it has taken.
Your destination is on the left.
Now it is 3:10. We reached. We booked this Welcome Somnath through Agoda. Okay. Welcome Somnath.
These are not normal ducks.
This is the place at Somnath where the Krishna last rite happened, I think, right? With Balram. Balram is a Sheshnag. কৃষ্ণ এবং বলরাম দুজনের জীবনের অবসানের শেষ জায়গা এটা, এতটুকুই জেনেছি। Now auntie at Somnath temple just now, and she has seen all inside the temple, Shiva, etc., and it is a nice experience. Right, na auntie? You have seen, na?
Yes.
Okay. সোমনাথ টেম্পলে যাওয়ার জন্যে, সোমনাথ মন্দিরে যাওয়ার জন্য এই সকালবেলায় হোটেল থেকে হেঁটে রওনা দিয়েছি। হোটেল থেকে প্রায় 2 কিলোমিটার, তো হাঁটাও হবে এবং সোমনাথ টেম্পলে কিছু বোধহয় প্রসাদ হিসাবে লাড্ডু কেনা যায়, সেটা কালকে কেনা হয়নি রাত্রিবেলায়, সেটাও কিনতে যাচ্ছি। এবং সোমনাথের যে গ্রাম আছে সেগুলো একটু দেখতে চাইছি, এবং এখানে এরকম শান্ত জীবন তারা অতিবাহিত করে সেটাও দেখতে চাইছি। So this is the adjacent to the Somnath temple, the village, where the day-to-day life, the village people is here, that I want to see by walking. So now I am walking from hotel around 2 kilometers, Somnath temple. Stay with me. Okay. This is the village, Somnath temple, well developed place. This is the main road towards the Somnath temple. Yes, Somnath Trust temple. Here for car parking facility also available. If you come by car, then you can come straight and you can take the parking facility before entering the Somnath temple. So it is nice, it is very morning, I think around 8 a.m. today. Around 8 a.m. today. This is the temple side, Somnath temple side. And if you go straight, just behind that statue, the Arabian Sea, I'm not going there now. You can see this is the main area of the Somnath temple. You can see this temple. Yeah, this is the temple. Okay, I think it is good. I'll enter for the prasadam. Prasadam here is the besan laddu. I'll purchase this now. এখন প্রসাদ কিনবো। আমরা টেম্পলে কাল রাতে এসেছিলাম কিন্তু প্রসাদটা কেনা হয়নি, এখন কিনবো। এখানে প্রচুর শপিং এরিয়া। লেফট সাইড ইজ দ্য পার্কিং এরিয়া। In front it is the Lakshmi Narayan temple. Design is South Indian style, you can see. Okay, thank you so much with me. Now we'll go the Gir forest. Let's see Gir forest. I entered this Somnath temple. You can see this is the Arabian Sea. Arabian সমুদ্র বাঁদিকে। এখন একদম আরবান্সের তীরেই সোমনাথ টেম্পল। This is Somnath temple. Entrance is the right side. Yes, I have come the Somnath temple. কালকে রওনা দিয়েছিলাম, আজকে আবার ফেরত চলে যাব আহমেদাবাদে সোমনাথ টেম্পল দেখে। এবং দিস ইজ দ্য অল এরিয়া the Somnath temple and এই দেখুন একদম আরব সাগরের পাড়ে, আরবিয়ান সি is beside me. ওকে, এখানেই শেষ করছি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ to see this video. Bye bye. This is Malka Tirth at Beraval nearby Somnath. Now Chol is going to touch that shivling. On the way to Shushan Gir from Somnath, we are taking some Keshor mango, the Keshor আম 100 টাকা কিলো, যে আমরা 10 কিলো নিচ্ছি। যে এই যে ম্যাঙ্গো গার্ডেন থেকে আসছে কেশর ম্যাঙ্গো, and we are taking this cashew mango from this farm, mango farm. Now we are entering the Shoshan Gir forest, and the left side some river is there, Hiron river, Hiron নদী বাঁ দিকে। এবং এই যে সোজা আমরা যাচ্ছি গির ফরেস্ট, শাসন বলে এক জায়গা আছে, সেখান থেকে গিরনের এন্ট্রান্স, প্লেস নেম ইজ শাসন, দ্যাট ইজ অলসো অ্যানাদার এন্ট্রান্স অফ দ্য গির ফরেস্ট। And obviously there you will find so much mango shop, locally produced mango shop, mango farm, and we purchased also some mango from here. Obviously Chol is driving, I am enjoying and recording the video. See all our forest area. This is a railway track, right? Yes, these are the railway track. This is the meter gauge, you see, this is the meter gauge. Okay, যাক খুব ভালো লাগছে যে গির ফরেস্টে আসতে পেরেছি, কিছুক্ষণের জন্য ওখানে দেখব। এবং এই দেখুন এইদিকে পুরো ফরেস্ট এরিয়া, এইখানে এশিয়াটিক লায়ন প্লেস ইজ দেয়ার, এশিয়াটিক লায়ন্স মান্নাত মিন্স হাউস দেয়ার। বিশাল এরিয়া জুড়ে দ্যাট গির ফরেস্ট, ইট is cover this 4 district of Gujarat. So far I know. And this is from Somnath temple only around 42 kilometers, right? Only 42 kilometers. Anybody who will come in Somnath, I request to see this forest area. But if you enter the forest, then safari, then you have to purchase the safari. Yeah, this time to not possible for us because suddenly we have come. Next time definitely when I'll come, I'll take the online pass and will enter the Gir forest. And here the one specialty is there. Here the mango produce is much more. In Ahmedabad we are getting specially this Gir forest mango, in addition to Alfonso, which used to come from Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. But here the Kesar, right? Kesar mango is available. You see all the both side of this road, mango is available. Yeah, this is the entrance of the Shashan Gir forest. You can see. Yes. And one thing, just now we cross one railway track, na? From the railway track, I think one train every day cover the Gir forest. I don't know, but next time definitely will come. This is the Bhojade Gir. This is the Bhojade Gir. This place name is Bhojade Gir. So we already entered the Shashan area of Gir forest. দেখতে থাকুন, যতটুকু পারি এবার কভার করব এবং পরে তো অলরেডি আসার ইচ্ছা আছে সাফারি করার জন্যে এখানে। তার কারণ when I leave the Gujarat, Ahmedabad after retirement, then it's very difficult to come here. Yes. Bus also available. Direct bus also available from Ahmedabad. Pulp, okay. There's some pulp also. Mango pulp. Okay. Bottle. Oh.
Concentrate.
Okay. Like Maja. Okay. Okay. দেখতে থাকুন এই গির ফরেস্ট এরিয়া, যতটুকু পারি আমি কভার করার চেষ্টা করছি। অন্তত আপনাদের একটা আইডিয়া হয়ে যাবে। যারা আহমেদাবাদ থেকে আসতে চান তারা সরাসরি বাসে আসতে পারেন। আহমেদাবাদ থেকে ডাইরেক্ট শাসন বাস ইজ অ্যাভেলেবল। And from other part of India, if somebody will come, it is very easy to come. You come first in Ahmedabad, and from there the government bus available, and you can come much close. And Somnath you can see, and in addition to Gir forest you can see also. Okay. The Lion multi cousin. Okay, good. These all are the Shashan area. From here you have to entrance in the Gir forest. You see the distance, the entrance is there. You can check this entrance. And here you will get the hotel, etc. It is readily available, what I believe. এবং এখানে হোটেল পেতে কোনো অসুবিধা মনে হয় না। এবং এখানে যদি আপনারা আসেন এবং এমনি বাসেও আসতে পারেন একদম আহমেদাবাদ থেকে, এবং এসে এখানে স্টে করে এখানে আপনারা সাফারি যেতে পারেন। গির ফরেস্ট সাফারি সিংহ দেখতে পাবেন আশা করি যদি ভেতরে যান। এবার আমি যাচ্ছি না, এবার আমি আসবো। তার কারণ এবার তো আমাদের উদ্দেশ্য ছিল সোমনাথে আসা, কিন্তু যেহেতু দেখলাম মাঝপথে গির আছে, শাসন গির, বিকজ গির অরণ্যে বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে প্রবেশ করা যায়। ইউ ক্যান গেট এন্ট্রি ফ্রম ডিফারেন্ট পয়েন্ট অফ গির ফরেস্ট। One point is the Shashan. From this point you can enter, and Shashan is very close. That means almost 42 kilometers from the Somnath temple. Somnath temple's nearest station is the Bearable railway station. We will come by railway train. Then you need to get down in the Bearable railway station, and from there around 40 kilometers public transport also available, so you can come. But one thing that if you want to get safari in this Gir forest, then in advance you have to book online this safari. Here lot of mango juice is available. In addition, mango pickle and other people. आप क्या बोलिए ना, वो सफारी का नाम क्या है, आने का बाद कर सकता है?
देवरिया पार्क.
देवोरिया
पार्क.
Devoria Park. Devoria Park, one safari is there and it will take the 2 hours to 3 hours, right? 2 से 3 घंटा लगेगा. क्या है, कौन सा सफारी बोला?
देवरिया पार्क.
Devoria Park safari, and 2 to 3 hours it will take time. And how much cost per person? कितना लेते हैं ये लोग?
3500
3,000 रुपया देंगे, 2-2.5 घंटा घूमेंगे. लेकिन लाइन देखने का मिलेगा क्या? मिलेगा? ओह, लाइन देखने का मिलेगा. अच्छा ठीक है, हम लोग देखते हैं काउंटर से, हम लोग खोज करेंगे. अभी काउंटर में जाएंगे. ये जो दूर में देख रहा है आप, ये टोटल सिटी एरिया है. यू कैन स्टे ऑल्सो 1 नाइट. ये डिस्टेंस, द गेट इज देयर, दैट ब्लैक कलर गेट. आई विल गो देयर नाउ to check details about this safari. If you come by car, then you can park here easily. Yes, this is the entrance and ticket counter এখানেই পেয়ে যাবেন. যে সাফারিটা গির অরণ্যে, মানে গির ফরেস্টে ইন ডেলি বেসিস ইউ ক্যান ডু টু বাই দ্য টিকিট হেয়ার ইন দ্য শাসন. দিস কল্ড দ্য দেবালিয়া সাফারি টিকিটিং কাউন্টার. অ্যান্ড what is the timings etc. that I'll check now. Now it is showing it is closed. Okay, here's something written there. Singh Sadan guest house. I think guest house also available here. Definitely it will be costly. No, AC room is 3,000 rupees and non-AC room is the 1,000 rupees. Boarding charge means tea or coffee 14 rupees, breakfast 80 rupees, lunch and dinner 140 rupees. Is very reasonable. And GST charge you have to pay extra. Only available items will be provided. And this is the national parks of Gujarat. Gir National Park is the 258.72 kilometers, including the area Junagadh and Gir Somnath. And Black Buck National Park, acha, that means Kalo Horinir jaga. So area is the 34.08 kilometer, and this is the Bhelabhadar and Bhavnagar. And Bansta National Park, its area is the 23.99 kilometer. The area covered is the Bansta and Navsari. And one Marine National Park also available, whose area is total 162.89 kilometers. All are in Ahmedabad, and it is covered the Gulf of Kutch, Jamnagar and Devbhumi, Dwarka. In addition, the sanctuary of Gujarat is also available. You can see the all whatever the different area and location covered, it is mentioned there. And whatever I understood, that from here you can easily buy the ticket, not the total safari of the Gir, but I think that partial safari, that is called the Devolia safari, if you do, everyday ticketing counter is available here. You can buy the ticket, which cost is around 3,000, whatever I heard, because it is not available any signage or any some regarding this price, and but it will be good. Who is unable to get the whole safaris online in advance, they can come also and do. This is why you see the tiger, bumper size tiger, not tiger, sorry, bumper size lions, Asiatic lions, and these are good. So now I am finishing this video. If you like, then share with people, then more people will know about this গির ফরেস্ট. আপনারা বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করতে পারেন গির ফরেস্টে কীভাবে আপনারা আহমেদাবাদ থেকে খুব মানে বাসে সোজা এখানে চলে আসতে পারেন. শাসন, জায়গাটার নাম শাসন. এখানে এসে এখানে আপনারা একদিন স্পেন্ডও করতে পারেন এবং এখানে দেখে আবার চলেও যেতে পারেন. থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ. টাটা. This is a Gir forest. We are crossing. It is actually dense forest. In the rainy time, it will be. I think that it will be more greeny. Yes. This is the Junagadh. Yes. A बहुत बड़ा hill is there. Acha, this is some entrance. Who is there? Acha, okay. Shohid Veer.
In 150 meters, at the roundabout.